Welcome to another Macca's Motovids YouTube video. Going around in circles because I don't know this area. My brother-in-law bought me a present the other day. I rocked up at his house to get my car stereo out of the old car, and I was on my way out the house, walked past his bedroom and noticed a couple of RC cars on his chest of drawers. So, I got in there and had a look, and one of them's a rock crawler and the other one's just an off-roader. They're pretty wicked little cars. So I was having a look at them, and there's a big box on his bed with a towel over the top of it. I was just like, oh yeah, whatever. Just doesn't want people to see. And he's just grabbed the towel and, oh, by the way, ripped the towel off and exposed a 1/10 scale Holden Tirana A9X with a 3cc nitro engine in it, with the controller and glow plug starter and all that stuff. And she said, oh, this is yours. And I was just sort of like, what? What do you mean? And he's just like, yeah, just, for everything you've done for me lately, I thought I'd buy you a present. And yeah, I was just really taken back by it. Wasn't expecting anything at all, just being a good brother-in-law. And here he is, he's given me this little nitro car, which I know for a fact is not cheap. But, really appreciate it. A wicked little car. Yeah, I just wanted to know from you guys if you've had any experience with nitro cars, or if you've got nitro cars, or even just RC cars. Like, nitro cars are a whole nother level of RC, but I mean, RC is RC. It's remote control. It's good fun. And I've got, what have I got? 3 RC cars. What is it, 3? I think it's 3 RC cars, 3 remote control helicopters, including one that holds the record for the world's smallest remote control helicopter. This thing is tiny. It's about 3 centimeters long, roughly. It's crazy to try and fly that. But, yeah, I'm kind of into my RCs, and I want to know if you guys are into RC as well, because it's great fun. We were having a bit of a play this morning, and had a bit of a catastrophic morning, really. My brother-in-law went full flog into a wooden bollard. and separated his wishbone from the front assembly. Yeah, so he smashed it bad. And I gone, oh no, this is terrible. I was looking at it and it was like, oh. And it's just as I just started mine, and he was like looking at the damage and all that sort of stuff. And he'd just been in the park running on the grass and stuff. So I went over and I got onto the grass and I'm like, oh look, mine can go off-road too. And it was only just getting through the grass, because it's not mine's an on-road one, and then I decided to get off and do some speed runs up and down the road, and come flying down the road, then hit the brakes, and the arse of the car came around, and there's like a whole heap of little nuts and twigs and stuff from the trees, and the tyres got all caught up on that. It bounced and decided to flip. So my car did about 3 barrel rolls, and after that it hasn't started again. So yeah, let me know about your cool RCs that you've got, and you know, if you want to get an RC, be it, you know, car, helicopter, four-wheel drive, rock crawler, truck, boat. RC boats are pretty cool. But, yeah, leave a little comment below, and like my video if you like that sort of stuff, and share, subscribe, all that. And as always, ride safe, drive safe, stay safe. Catch you later.